Welcome to Meaton Factory. I am your tour guide Nora. Now I'll give you an overview of the factory. It covers 20,000 square meters, known as a leading global furniture hardware manufacturer in China. It has 18 production lines and 500 skilled employees. We can produce concealed slides 600,000 sets and drawer boxes 300,000 sets per month. Thanks to our increasing capacity, lead time becomes one of our great advantage. The promised lead time is 60 days after PO released. For long-term partners, we are willing to work with them for a continuous production plan preparation so as to make sure we could arrange the shipment in a timely manner. Let's go for it. These are our 2 robot arm assembly lines, 12 sets in total. It can accurately transport and conduct stamping work. It realized full automation, replaced manual, improved work efficiency and accuracy. It can ensure product quality, output and process stability. Its production rate reached 12 PCs per minute, 720 PCs per hour, and its daily capacity reached 17,280 PCs. This is our automatic stamping machine, including 315T, 67 sets in total. It can provide punching force for the mold, through the mold to the plate to do blanking, punching, forming, drawing, dressing, fine punching, shaping, riveting and extrusion parts. It has the characteristics of high rigidity and high precision. It realized full automation, replaced manual labor, improved work efficiency and accuracy, and it can ensure product quality, output and process stability. Its production rate reached 16 PCs per minute, 960 PCs per hour, and the daily capacity reached 23,040 PCs. These are single stamping machines we specially equipped for personal customization, for your high-end customized products, 83 sets in total. If you need customized products in small quantities, this production line can serve you. Its production rate reached 20 PCs per minute, 1,200 PCs per hour, and the daily capacity reached 28,800 PCs. These process greatly solve the problems of small quantity orders. This is our forming machine, 21 sets in total. It can automatically roll and shape the raw materials of different materials and thickness. It has the advantages of automation, high production efficiency, material saving, high product strength and stable product quality. Very conducive to mass production, it can create high economic benefits. Its production rate reached 23 PCs per minute, 1380 PCs per hour, and the daily capacity reached 33,120 PCs. This is our multi-functional welding machine, 22 sets in total. Its function is to automate the product feeding, testing and welding. It realized complete automation, replaced manual, and ensures the stable quality of welding products. Its production rate reached 15 PCs per minute, 900 PCs per hour, and the daily capacity came to 21,600 PCs. Compared with traditional single welding machine, the efficiency and accuracy are strongly improved. This is our wheel grinder machine, 9 sets in total. Its function is to grind the blank wheel cylindrical surface with high precision. It has the advantages of high automation, high production efficiency and stable grinding quality of wheels. Its production rate reached 498 PCs per minute and 29,880 PCs per hour. That is the magic process to ensure the slide moving like dancing on the ice. This is our ball rack automatic assemble machine, 8 sets in total. Its function is to automatically complete feeding, testing and assembly of the wheel and ball rack. It has the advantages of high degree of automation, high production efficiency, stable product quality and reliability. Its production rate reached 40 PCs per minute, 2,400 PCs per hour, and its daily capacity reached 57,600 PCs. This is our concealed slide automatic assemble machine and double wall drawer automatic assemble machine, 6 sets in total. Its function is to automatically complete the assembly of all parts of the slide rail. It has the advantages of high degree of automation, high production efficiency, stable product quality and reliability. Its production rate reached 10 PCs per minute, 600 PCs per hour, and the daily capacity reached 14,400 PCs. This is our lab center. We have salt spray testing machine, slide rail loop testing machine and constant temperature testing machine, and hinge fatigue testing machine. We have 2 to 3 workers to supervise this procedure. And we will check all machines at the beginning every month. We can't allow any unqualified products to appear in the market. Once we find any products with a problem, we will destroy it at once. We have obtained the certificates of ISO 9001, VR, BSCI. All the products are qualified by SGS report, and also can meet the international standards such as N 15338, BS 6222-2. Through this factory tour, you can see how advanced and high automation percentage we are. Work with us can greatly solve your headache for the products. We focus on R&D development and product quality. You are good at business and we are good at producing products. Let's work together to become stronger.